The Storm Tracker Live Doppler Network, the most accurate weather where you live.
Well, we did have a few scattered showers out there earlier today in East Texas, but the radar has dried up, at least for now. We could see a little more redevelopment overnight tonight and throughout the day on Thursday, and we'll talk more about that in just a moment. But in the meantime, while we have a partly cloudy sky in place, temperatures not too shabby, as we've got 77 degrees from Dave Ocheski in South Lufkin right now. Dorothy Penny, she got 0.2 of an inch of rain earlier today, and she's sitting at 77. Bill Wallace over in Chirino right now, also sitting at double sevens at the present time. We've got 78 in Broadus, and over in San Augustine right now, Jeff Reeder reporting 75 degrees. So we had a lot of rain this morning up in northeast Texas. That kind of fell apart, but then we had a few very heavy but isolated showers form late this afternoon ahead of a weak little cool front, which is still hanging back off to our northwest. In fact, as of right now, this is where it sits. Now, one thing to note, this front is not going to blow on through. It's not going to cool us down, but because it's going to be nearby again tomorrow, we're going to be south of the front, which means we could see more showers and a few isolated thunderstorms redevelop throughout the course of the day. So right now we have you down for a 50% chance of rain on Thursday. And notice what happens here. This front really more or less just stalls out. So we're not going to see any relief there. Where we are going to get some relief is late Friday into Saturday with a second stronger cool front. In fact, by Friday afternoon, here it is, and watch what happens. It just overtakes this first front, moves all the way off the Texas coast, and by Saturday morning, it will be sitting to our south. Winds will pick up out of the north, and the timing could not be better because what it's going to do is clear out the skies, shift our winds to the north, and usher in some drier, cooler, and less humid air into East Texas. So the weekend should be fantastic. Probably our first little taste of fall coming up over the next few days. In the meantime, you're planning the day tomorrow, I would keep the umbrella handy. 30% chance of rain as early as 6 a.m., but then I think it'll peak out at about 50% by the time the kids get off the bus from school around 3 o'clock. And then we'll keep a 50% chance of rain by 6. Notice temperatures, because of the added cloud cover and scattered shower activity in the forecast, only going to make the upper 80s for highs, which is nice to see. So tomorrow, our best rain chance over the next 7 days, 50%. We keep a 30% chance in the forecast Friday just to account for that second front that begins to move on through. And then look at what happens this weekend. We're going to spotlight it because this is really where we're going to see, again, our first taste of fall. Highs will be in the mid 80s, but look at the morning lows here. 61 on Sunday morning, 60 degrees when you head back to work next Monday, and some areas could be in the upper 50s. So cooler temperatures, lower humidity on the way. And again, this is our first significant cool front probably of the fall season. And then as you get into the middle part of next week, the humidity quickly returns, and with it, we'll see a few scattered showers by the time we get into next Tuesday and Wednesday. All right, your Brookshire Brothers KTRE Weather Not Umbrella winner tonight is Deborah Blanton from Huntington. Don't forget, we announce the winners each weeknight right here at 10 o'clock. And for a chance to win and get your name called, all you have to do is go to our Win Stuff tab at KTRE.com.